Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious chocolate snack. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of good quality chocolate, either milk or dark, depending on your preference. Also, have 50 grams of butter or coconut oil ready. Don't forget your favorite mix-ins, such as chopped nuts, dried fruit, or even a pinch of sea salt for extra flavor. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's melt our chocolate. Chop your chocolate into small, uniform pieces to ensure even melting. You can use a double boiler over simmering water, stirring gently until smooth. Alternatively, microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each until fully melted. Combine the melted chocolate with your butter or coconut oil, stirring until the mixture is glossy and completely smooth. This step is crucial for a creamy texture. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time to add those delicious mix-ins. Gently fold in your chopped nuts, dried fruit, or any other additions you've chosen. Make sure they are evenly distributed throughout the chocolate mixture. Next, pour the mixture into a baking dish lined with parchment paper. Spread it out evenly, aiming for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures consistent texture and easy breaking later. The final step is to chill your chocolate snack. Place the dish in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once hardened, remove it from the dish and peel off the parchment paper. Now for the best part. Break the chocolate into irregular, snack-sized pieces. Store your homemade chocolate treats in an airtight container at room temperature or in the fridge for longer freshness. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.